The holidays are fast approaching, and preparing something sweet in your own kitchen would be great. Well, here at Asai Guide Cooks, we can help you with preparing something sweet and great with Hazelnut Coffee Cheesecake. So let's get started. Let's prepare the crust. Butter makes everything taste better. Set your timer for 10 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Time for the cheesecake filling. Let's build the cheesecake. Set your timer for 50 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Hazelnuts have been a part of human culture for thousands of years, originating in Asia Minor and spreading across Europe, Asia, and beyond. Asia Minor, now modern-day Turkey, is the hub for most hazelnut production. Nutella and, of course, Frangelico are amazing products that include hazelnuts. Let's make the hazelnut coffee topping. Set your timer for 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes to set the topping. Time for the hazelnut caramel sauce. The sauce will continue to thicken as it cools. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Let's get a slice of this amazing cheesecake onto a plate. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, this rich and creamy cheesecake combines the bold flavors of coffee with the nutty sweetness of hazelnut syrup and roasted hazelnuts. This hazelnut coffee cheesecake is perfection, and your guests will absolutely love it. Please leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a cheesecake you'll be proud to make and serve. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.